guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful pastel look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the first yellow shadow from the 35-1 Icy palette, I believe it is. If you have it, you can definitely take it out and use this palette. If not, use just similar colors. So I'm going to go ahead and place this color right in the inner corner of the eye. So I'm just placing this and I'm patting the color in. And I am taking my time because I do want this color to pop. After that, I'm going to go ahead and place that blue shadow right there from that palette next to the yellow greenish color. And then I'm going to pat it all the way. So I'm just using patting motions. I'm not swiping because I feel like I lose the intensity of the color. So you just want to pat the shadow. And I'm bringing it all the way up to my crease, just a little bit up to my brow bone. And then after that, I'm moving on to the purple shadow and I'm patting the color as well. And like I said, I am bringing it down to the lid area, but it's okay because I'm going to apply a shimmer color on top of all those colors on the lid. So then I'm going to move on and go back and reapply a little bit of the colors because I felt like I was losing the intensity. You can definitely go back and forth applying and, you know, the colors. So that's what I did. I felt like I was losing the blue and then I'm reapplying the purple as well. Then I'm going to go and add my pink shadow and I'm going to apply this right in the outer part where the purple ends and just blend that out. Then I'm going to grab this pencil brush from Morphe and I'm going to apply this shimmer right here just to give me a little shimmer in the brow bone. So I'm just applying this so the crease, the brow bone pops a little bit more. Alright, so then I'm moving on with this green shadow right here and applying this right onto my lid. And this is just going to add as a pop of shimmer onto the lid. Of course, I did spray a little bit of setting spray just to make the shadow pop a little bit more. So I mixed those two colors together just to give me a little pop on the lid. Then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. I'm going to add that first color I applied, the yellow greenish color, and that's going to go right in the inner part. Then I'm going to go ahead and add that blue shadow, packing it on as the same thing I did on top, I'm doing at the bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the purple shadow, and I'm applying this right as close as I can to the blue one, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add that pink shadow in the outer corner. So basically I did the same thing I did on the top, I'm doing at the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and apply my bronzer from Laura Mercier. I'll list all the products in the bottom bar and just applying a little bit. I don't know, for some reason, every time I do all the powders and everything, I ended up in my shirt. So I do have it all over my sweater. So I'm applying the Too Faced blush, and then I'm applying the Balm Cosmetics highlighter. I feel like this highlighter was a little too white for me, so yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my waterline. That I'm using the Benefit brow highlight. Then I'm going back and retouching anything that needs to be retouched because I felt like I needed to retouch the pink from the outer corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, but first I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a wing liner. I am using Araceli Beauty, I think, Ojos Perfectos eyeliner, and I'll link them down below for you guys. I really like this eyeliner. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick little wing. I'm not really good at doing wing eyeliner, but hey, better than nothing, right? So then I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Using that shimmery color, I'm going to apply it all in the bottom lash line just to make the shadows that I applied to sparkle a little bit. Then I'm going with the Buxom mascara, applying a coat of that to my top lashes. And alright, from there I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies. And I'll list all the products down below, like I said, the falsies and everything. These are new, I'm trying them out, so yeah. Alright, going with the other shimmer next to the first one we used, I'm going to go ahead and apply this right into the inner corner. This one is just going to help all the colors look put together. Then I'm going with this corally lipstick, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my lips. I'm I like the color. I just need it to be a little bit more glossy because I'm into gloss lips right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pair it with a gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this gloss. This one is from Morphe. This one is in Pop, and it's actually the same color, you guys, because I tried it without the lipstick and it looks exactly the same. So yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with a little bit of setting spray. And that's when I realized that the highlighter was a little too light for me, a little too white for me. So, but yeah. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.